If you're missing a tooth, two common options are a dental bridge and a dental implant. While both can restore your smile, there are some important differences that patients should understand. A dental bridge replaces a missing tooth by attaching an artificial tooth to the teeth on either side of the gap. To support the bridge, those neighboring teeth usually need to be permanently reshaped and covered with crowns, even if they are healthy. One limitation of a bridge is that it does not replace the tooth root. When a tooth root is missing, the jawbone in that area gradually shrinks over time. This bone loss can affect both appearance and long-term oral health. A dental implant works differently. An implant replaces both the root and the visible tooth. The implant is placed directly into the jawbone, where it helps preserve bone and provides a strong, stable foundation for a custom crown. Another advantage of implants is that they do not rely on neighboring teeth for support. Healthy teeth remain untouched, and the implant functions independently, much like a natural tooth. Dental implants are also known for their durability. While bridges may eventually need replacement, implants can often last for decades with proper care. The best choice depends on your individual situation, but many patients choose dental implants because they offer better long-term bone preservation, greater stability, and a more natural solution for replacing missing teeth. If you'd like to learn whether a dental implant or bridge is right for you, contact our office to schedule a consultation. Hello, I'm Dr. Eduardo Garcia from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana, Mexico. One of the most common questions we hear is, am I too old for dental implants? The truth is that age alone rarely prevents someone from receiving dental implants. Every year, patients in their 60 seconds, 70 seconds, and even 80 seconds successfully restore their smiles with modern implant treatment. What matters most is not your age, but your overall health, bone quality, and oral condition. Even if you have worn dentures for many years or have experienced bone loss, there may still be treatment options available. Advanced procedures such as bone grafting or full arch solutions like All-on-4 can help many patients qualify for treatment. Dental implants can improve chewing ability, comfort, confidence, and overall quality of life. The best way to determine whether you are a candidate is through a professional evaluation and a 3D CT scan. If you're considering dental implants and wondering whether age may be a factor, our team can help you understand your options and create a personalized treatment plan. FAQ questions. Is 70 too old for dental implants? No. Many patients in their 70s second successfully receive dental implants and enjoy long-lasting results. Can an 80-year-old get dental implants? Yes. Many healthy patients in their 80 seconds are good candidates for implant treatment after proper evaluation. Do dental implants work for seniors? Dental implants can be an excellent solution for seniors seeking improved comfort, stability, and chewing function. What if I have bone loss? Bone loss does not automatically prevent dental implant treatment. Several advanced techniques may help restore eligibility. Are implants better than dentures for older adults? Many patients find implant-supported solutions more stable and comfortable than traditional removable dentures.